So quickly trying to look at the next bone, which we are to look at its anatomy, and this is what is known as a clavicles. Okay, clavicles. So clavicle is kind of like a bone that is between the upper limb coming to the chest region. Okay, and you could say that it's kind of like S-shaped. So let's look at the clavicle. So clavicle is also known as a collarbone. You know, they're actually paired long bones, and they connect the upper limb to the trunk. They are slender, they are S-shaped, just like I was saying. They line horizontally, so instead of going downwards like every bone or almost every bone is, these ones are actually right line across. Okay, so location, they extend from the sternum medially to the scapula away from you, and they are shaped, they are long bones, and they are curved because they handle a lot of stress. So this is a clavicle, and basically you could actually see this. So key features is sternal end. So it articulates with the manubrium of the sternum at the sternoclavicular junction. We have the acromial end. Okay, so not label, but we'll have a special lecture which will talk about the key features. We have the shaft, which is curved portion. We have the subclavian groove, which is attachment site for what? Subclavius muscle. We have the conoid, tubercle, and the trapezoid line, which is basically kind of like an attachment point for ligament, also stabilizing the acromioclavicular joint. Function is actually as a strut. It holds the scapula and the arm away from the shoulder, so it will stop you from actually coming together, like your chest coming together. So you could see that when it is absent, your shoulder and your chest are kind of like coming together, so they call that the clavicranial dysplasia. I'll talk about it. They also transmit mechanical forces from the upper limb to the axial skeleton. It protects the neurovascular structures, and it provides attachment site for muscles, laudus pectoralis major, deltoid, trapezius, sternocleidomastoid, subclavius. So clavicles will be fractured just like what we got here, clavicular fracture. And if they are absent, you have a condition which is known as a clavicranial dysplasia, which we'll get to talk about it. Then for the different joints that is formed with the sternum and also with the acromion, you could actually have dislocations there too.